Krishnanidhi Clubhouse. Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to understand and write numbers. So let's start. 1. This is number 1. 1 circle. O N E 1. 2. This is number 2. 1 and 1 makes 2. 1, 2. 2 circles. 2. T W O 2. 3. This is number 3. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles. 3. T H R E E 3. 4. Do you know 1 and 3 makes number 4? 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. Number 4. F O U R 4. 5. Do you know 1 and 4 makes 5? 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles and 5 circles. F I V E 5. 6. This is number 6. Do you know 1 and 5 makes 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. Number 6. S I X. Number 6. 7. Do you know 1 plus 6 makes 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles. S E V E N 7. 8. This is number 8. Do you know 1 plus 7 makes 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circles. This is number 8. E I G H T 8. 9. This is number 9. Do you know 1 plus 8 makes 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circles. Number 9. N I N the numbers from 1 to 9. So let's learn 0. Let's see what is 0. This is number 0. 0 means nothing. Wow! There are some laddus in this bowl. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 laddus in this bowl. There is nothing in this bowl. So we will call 0 laddus in this bowl. Can you look? There are some apples in this tree. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples in this tree. There is no apples in this tree. So we will say 0 apples. So these were the numbers 0 to 9. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel for more educational videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.